A lot more than people are aware of is what goes into installing a new air conditioning system, or HVAC system, as we call them, because basically an HVAC system is going to include your inside unit, your outside unit, your thermostat, but it also includes your ductwork. We deal with what we call static pressure, and it might be over somebody's head, so it's kind of hard to explain to it. But the simplest way is, if your machine is built to provide you with 1,400 cubic feet per minute of air blowing out, that means that it's going to blow out 1,400 cubic feet per minute, but it also has to exchange 1,400 cubic feet per minute on the reverse side. So basically, once your system is neutralized or your system is operating at the right static pressure, you have a fine-tuned machine. It's going to provide you better comfort.
Amen.